Welcome to the lesson on marketing on AMS ads for Amazon. This is going to be a vital component to your business. So let's get right to it. The first thing you need to do is understand that there are several markets for marketing your ads. If I hover over this, you'll see there's a market in France, Germany, Italy, and the United Kingdom. I mostly focus just on in the US and in the UK. I've started to dabble a little bit in France, but the real demand is going to be in the UK and in the US. So those are the two markets that you want to specialize in. So in the couple of lessons that are coming up, the next lesson I'm going to focus on taking a book that's not performing well and making it perform well, because the whole point of this is for you to market. You're a publisher, and what publishers do is that they bring products to the marketplace and they market them so they sell. So the author makes money and the publishing house makes money. In this case, we are both the author and the publisher. So it is in our best interest to advertise, market our book. That's what we do. Here we go. We're going to start off this intro by showing you a nice case study. What I mean, as long as you have a nice portfolio, you could slow down your publishing like I have, and you could just revitalize books that are not doing well, or you want them to make more money because you are able just to place ads, products in front of hungry buyers, and just make money off the investment called advertising or clicks. So let me give you a real case study. This book right here, I published in March of 2019. Overall, it did perform well. As you can see, 260, 316, 300, 300, all in the 300s for over a year. This thing made 1,000% on the investment, right? So I made my money back within the first 2 months. I made my money back on this book, and then it's just making me money for close to 2 years now. So in March, of course, the pandemic, the quarantine, everything came down a bit, but something interesting happened, and I want you to take note of this. The book started to take off here, and we made the jump into this level. As you can see, last month it did 670. This month it's already at 486. So we're going to be up here higher than it's ever done, because we went into the UK marketplace, right? So this is the UK. Look up here, the UK. We're in the UK platform, and they are all different, and you will have to log into them differently. So we're in the UK platform, and I'm going to show you when I started the ad for this book. I started the ad for this book this year in January. So in January, look at the performance. 4,000 impressions. This is for February. We started in February. So in February, 4,666 impressions and only 4 sales. The month after that, 10,000 impressions, 2 sales. In April, 9,000 impressions, 6 sales. In May, 35,000 impressions, 6 sales. In June, 90,000 impressions, 37 sales. So 37 sales is equivalent to about $220. And then in July last month, we did 71 sales. That's more than 2 books per day. That's over 400. And in August, we have sold already 48 just in the UK market. This is not, we're at 288 so far. So this does not include the US or other sales. So this is a good example, right? As you build your platform, that you could always go back and retouch books. You could change the cover. You could add more keywords. This is something you have to be playing around with always, and you could do this from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet laptop, and you could make money by just placing ads. So these next couple of lessons, I'm just going to give you a good foundation on how to find keywords, place keywords, and just start testing, because look, this was just a test here in the UK market, and it turned out to be look at the results for this year's in sales, almost £2,000 just by making this addition to a book that is old. Anyway, The next lesson is going to be on adding keywords from Merchant Words. I'm going to show you how to add keywords from KDP Rocket, and I'm going to show you how to add words from Google Ad Planner. And that'll give you enough keywords so you're constantly growing the amount of impressions that you have. This is how you scale in the platform. You don't scale by saying that you want to spend 100 a day. The platform doesn't work that way. You scale by adding more keywords to the same book. All right, I'll see you on the first lesson.